If you have an old fence post and you put it in your landscape, it'll be a great addition for birds. Birds love to land on a fence post. It'll be visited on a daily basis, you can be assured of that. One of the best plants that you can plant for birds is the viburnum, and many birds use viburnums for their nests. At Highland Hill Farm, we grow viburnums, and we have plenty of different types. The arrowwood is especially good for planting along a wood line. It can even be planted underneath a walnut tree. The arrowwood has an upright habitat and is fast growing, with white flowers in the spring and blueberries in the summer. Another great addition for your landscape would be the cranberry viburnum, which has red berries and white flowers. If you need help with planting your viburnums, give us a call. We grow them. We have seedlings, potted viburnums, and ones we grow in the field, balled and burlapped. This is Highland Hill Farm in Fountainville, PA. Our phone number is 215 651 8329.